Muungano wa makanisa humu nchini Kenya NCCK pamoja na makundi yanayotunza mito eneo la Athi River katika kaunti ya Kitui wameanzisha mchakato utakaowasaidia wakazi kuhifadhi chemichemi za maji ili kukomesha ukosefu wa maji. Wamewashauri wakazi kupanda miti kwa wingi karibu na mito, kujenga mabwawa pamoja na kusitisha biashara ya kuuza changarawe iliyo katika mito, wakitaka serikali kuunga mkono juhudi zao kuhifadhi maeneo hayo.
We have seen a big milestone where we have been able to mobilize community, and working through with them, we have been able to establish Water Resources Association, Upper Kedasu Water Resources Association, and we have also been able to develop through the support of Water Resource Authority subcatchment management plan, which has detailed their plans for the next 5 years, what they plan to do and what they intend to achieve. This area has seen massive and wanton destruction of the rivers through such as sand harvesting and charcoal burning, which has left many land there and which has reduced substantially water availability in the community. And so having this RUA is a big plus for the community, because now they have been mandated by the government through Water Resource Authority on how to take care of their rivers, how to conserve their rivers, how to stop some of the destructive activities which have led to reduction and loss of water resources to their community. We will expect to see in the next 5 years also their rivers will be restored and will have water and will have sand, and so they will be able to plant crops, they will be able to plant trees, they will be able to be more food secure, they will be able to be more water secure, and they will be live their lives because they love clean and safe water for drinking.
Tunashukuru sana kwa shirika la NCCK ambalo limekuwa hapa na kupitia shirika la maji la WRA limewezesha kutusomesha juu ya mambo na kuhifadhi